Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm again here to present the most important MCQs for PPSC lecturer education. In this session, we're having about 100 the most wanted MCQs for PPSC lecturer of education. Please stay with us till end of this video. So the first MCQs of this session is: who was the founder of idealism? The correct answer is Plato. According to which philosophy, change is a great reality? Pragmatism is philosophy according to which change is a great reality. According to which philosophy, revelation is an authentic source of knowledge? According to Islamic philosophy, revelation is an authentic source of knowledge. Who was chairman of Educational Commission in 1959? In 1959, S.M. Sharif, who was Secretary of Education, was also the chairman of Educational Commission. Who presented 1972 educational policy? Abdul Hafiz Pirzada, who was the education minister at that time, he presented the educational policy of 1972. When did the Higher Education Commission establish? The Higher Education Commission established in 2002. Who was the first chairman of Higher Education Commission? The first chairman of Higher Education Commission of Pakistan was Dr. Ataur Rahman, who is considered as the first philosopher who perceived the significance of socialization as a basic principle in teaching. Froebel is considered as the first philosopher who perceived the significance of socialization as a basic principle in teaching. Which educational system supports scientific progress? Realistic educational system supports scientific progress. According to which philosophy, goal of education is realization of moral values? According to idealism, goal of education is to realize about the moral values. According to which philosophy of education, exaltation of individual's personality is a function? It is according to idealism and Marxism. What are called Froebel's fixed and symmetrical play material? Gifts are called the Froebel's fixed and symmetrical play materials. Who is the most closely associated with systems approaches to learning? Gagne is the most closely associated with systems approaches to language. Which is the characteristic of constructivist learning model? Group work to solve the complex problems is the one of the characteristic of constructivist learning model. Who is associated with information processing methods of learning? Ausubel is associated with information processing methods of learning. What is the number of phonemes in Standard British English? In Standard British English, there are 44 number of phonemes, in which 24 are consonants while 20 are vowel sounds. When the Charter Act was presented, the Charter Act was presented in 1813. Global listening is also known as extensive listening. Indian Educational Commission was established under headship of. It was established under the headship of Sir William Hunter, which reflected attitudes, values, and interest. Affective domain reflects attitudes, values, and interest. Which domain is concerned with physical skills? Psychomotor domain is concerned with physical skills? Who classified affective domain? Krathwohl classified affective domain. Lowest level of learning in affective domain is. The lowest level of learning in affective domain is attending. What did Carl Rogers present? Carl Rogers present personal centered counseling. According to Jane Plager, how many stages of cognitive development? There are 4 stages of cognitive development according to Jane Plager. Who is the father of guidance? Frank Parsons is known as the father of guidance. Out of sight, out of mind is the characteristics of which stage? It is the stage of sensory motor stage. Who was the pioneer of identifying individual differences? Francis Galton was the pioneer of identifying individual differences. Who was the first psychologist? Aristotle is known as the first psychologist, and he was the first psychologist. Quality of test that measures what it claims to measure is. Validity is the quality of test that measures what it claims to measure. Test which measures learning outcomes of students is. Achievement test measures the learning outcomes of students. Test which designed to predict future performance is called. Aptitude test is the test which designed to predict future performance. What is known as to assess achievement at the end of term? Summative assessment is known as to assess achievement at the end of term. Logbook is used for. Logbook is used for inspection officers. What was the Rousseau's major contribution in modern education? The major contribution was the use of objects in teaching. What was the cornerstone of Islamic nation? The cornerstone of Islamic nation is the Kalmah. When was announced free education for first time in the education policy? Firstly, in 1972, educational policy was announced as free education for first time. Who inaugurated the Commission on National Education on January 5, 1979? General Ziaul Haq inaugurated the Commission on National Education on January 5, 1979. According to the teaching of Islam, acquisition of knowledge is obligatory upon. It is obligatory upon every Muslim, on every man and woman. The educational system of a nation should be reflection of its. It should be reflection of its philosophy. When was World Educational Conference held in Riyadh? On 31st March till 8 April 1997. The World Educational Conference was held in Riyadh. Who said no educational system can be better than the quality of its teachers? Educational Sharif Commission 1959. Who presented knowledge of classification of Ulum-e Mazmum and Ulum-e Mehmed? Imam Ghazali presented knowledge of classification of Ulum-e Mazmum and Ulum-e Mehmed. What is the purpose of cable of specification to develop a balanced test? The main purpose of cable of specification is to develop a balanced test. Who was the founder of modern intelligence test? Alfred Binet was the founder of modern intelligence test. Who presented the formula of IQ? Stern presented the formula of IQ. Which teaching method is generally followed in college and schools with big classes? Lecture method is generally followed in college and schools with big classes. Who said education is the process that helps in the character building of new generation? Qayyazam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said that education is the process that helps in the character building of new generation. In which education policy secondary education declared as a separate unit from university education? In National Education Commission 1959, the educational policy secondary education was declared as a separate unit from university education. Who said education is a process which develops obedience in Allah Almighty? Imam Ghazali said this. How much underdeveloping countries spend for education according to UNESCO? According to UNESCO, the underdeveloping countries spend 4% of their GDP for education. Which guideline denotes the learning path of student? Curriculum. Who designs curriculum for universities? Higher Education Commission designs curriculum for universities. REG has suggested how many members of students in micro teaching. There should be 5 to 10 members of students in micro teaching. What is the first step in project method of teaching? The first step in project method of teaching is distribution of work. When Ministry of Human Resource Development was established, it was established on September 26, 1985. Why educational technology is useful? It is useful because it makes technical teaching effective and efficient. In which method of teaching there are chances for deviation from main topic or theme? In discussion method, it is possibility of deviation from main topic or from main theme. From where the term strategy has been borrowed? The term strategy has been borrowed from military science. When present the first 5-year plan of education, the first 5-year plan of education was presented from 1955 to 1960. What did SOLO stands for? SOLO stands for Structure of Observed Learning Outcomes. Moral development of a learner is linked to affective domain. Psychomotor domain deals with practical skills. Who divided subgroups of psychomotor domain? Simpson divided the subgroups of psychomotor domain. Which is the first step in psychomotor domain? The perception is the first step in psychomotor domain. The first step in cognitive domain is knowledge. The fourth step of cognitive domain. Analysis is the fourth step of cognitive domain. In which phase we forecast the organization's future supply and demand for employees. In HRM planning, we forecast the organization's future supply and demand for employees. The job seeker who arrived at the organization in search of a job are called walk-in. The correct option is walk-in. Financial decisions are taken at the highest political level in. Financial decisions are taken at the highest political level in bureaucratic model. Who said planning is the process of studying something for future and arranging the program of operation? Fayol said this. Planning is the process of studying something for future and arranging the program of operation. When did start the West Pakistan pension rules? The correct option is 14th October 1955. education board sitting place for students of primary level is? The correct option is 6 square meter. While at college level, the sitting place for students is 1.2 square meter is correct option. Relationship of objects of different levels is called. Relationship of objects of different level is known as vertical organization. In Islamic point of view, the main objectives of education had been seeking the pleasure of God in Islamic point of view. What is the main objective of Islamic education in Salatin period? In Salatin period, the main objective of Islamic education is a balanced mental and physical development of all over abilities. What hold the central place in Muslim curriculum? Persian hold the central place in Muslim curriculum. What was the curriculum of higher education during the Salatin period? It was consisted of philosophy, logic, scholastic philosophy, explanation of the Holy Quran, and tradition of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Who was the minister of Akbar the Great regarding education? Fatehullah Shahrazi was the minister of Akbar the Great regarding education. He was educational minister of Akbar. Who belonged to the reign of Aurangzeb Alamgir as a reputed scholar? As a reputed scholar, Mullah Nizamuddin Sialvi belonged to the reign of Aurangzeb Alamgir. Who introduced the annual examination during Aurangzeb Alamgir's period? During Aurangzeb Alamgir's period, Muhammad Ali Shah of Bijapur introduced the annual examination. The students of higher grades used to teach elementary grade students what was called this system. This system was called the monitorial system. Who ordered for the monthly test? Aurangzeb Alamgir ordered for the monthly test. Which method was adopted during the Muslim period at secondary level? At secondary level, during the Muslim period, the method was adopted of oral method of teaching, education with textbooks, and education with debate and discussion. These were the methods which were adopted during the Muslim period. When was Charter Act introduced in subcontinent? In 1813, the Charter Act was introduced in subcontinent. When was Hunter Commission launched in subcontinent? In 1882, the Hunter Commission was launched in subcontinent. What is considered as education stone of new educational setup in India? Charter Act of 1813 is considered as educational stone of new educational setup in India. When the Bombay Education Society was set up. The Bombay Education Society was set up in 1816. When was amended Charter Act? The Charter Act was amended in 1833. When was Hogley College, Kolkata set up? The Hogley College, Kolkata was set up in 1836. When was started engineering classes in Hindu College, Kolkata? The engineering classes were started in Hindu College, Kolkata in 1844. When was set up Engineering College, Roorkee? Engineering College, Roorkee was set up in 1847. Who recommended the post of Director of Public Instructions? Lord Macaulay recommended the post of Director of Public Instructions. When were universities established at Kolkata, Bombay and Madras? In 1857, the universities were established at Kolkata, Bombay and Madras. When the Government College Lahore was opened? It was opened in 1864. When University of Punjab was established? The University of Punjab was established in 1882. When University College was established in Lahore in 1869, the University College was established in Lahore. When National Council of Education was established in 1904, the National Council of Education was established.